So hello everyone, welcome to another video of Prokaryotes. Today we will discuss about cyanobacteria. So as we all know, cyanobacteria is also known as blue-green alga, right? Also known as blue-green alga. And this is said to be कि cyanobacteria is the primitive photosynthetic organism on earth. मतलब cyanobacteria एक बहुत ही पुराना photosynthetic pigment था अर्थ पर, which is primitive photosynthetic pigment. Primitive photosynthetic pigment on earth, right? After that, here we can say cyanobacteria, which is gram-negative bacteria. As I gave you concept of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So cyanobacteria is gram-negative bacteria which have low peptidoglycan in their cell wall. Gram-negative bacteria which do contain low peptidoglycan. Low peptidoglycan in their cell wall. But after that, here we can say these cyanobacteria they survive in very harsh conditions. Like they survive where we have more low and very high temperature, which can be very low or very high temperature, not at the moderate temperature. Low or high temperature they survive. With that, now this question can be asked, okay, remember, cyanobacteria are the first organism that induce oxygen on earth. Cyanobacteria पहले organism थे जिन्होंने ऑक्सीजन अर्थ पे इंड्यूस की थी, जिनकी वजह से अर्थ पर ऑक्सीजन आई थी. तो इंड्यूस ऑक्सीजन ऑन अर्थ. On earth, right? After that, where here we have, they are found in, we can say, colonical या symbionts form. Like colonical, they make the colonies, or symbionts, they, we can say, live together. However, they do not harm each other or do not benefit each other. So this is how they can live in the colonical form, in the colony, and they can live in as the symbionts. Right. After that, here we have these cyanobacteria require some amount of energy. Now here require energy. Now this energy they require just because to increase the growth rate other than phytoplanktons. ये क्या करते हैं इनको एनर्जी चाहिए so that they can increase their growth rate. Growth rate को increase करें other than we can say phytoplanktons. फाइकोप्लांटेंस के कंपैरिजन में इनको क्या चाहिए इनको एनर्जी चाहिए कि ये अपना ग्रोथ रेट को इंक्रीज करें. नाउ यू माइट बी थिंकिंग व्हाट एक्चुअली दिस फाइकोप्लैंक्टन्स आर. So they are basically we can say prokaryotes which carry photosynthetic like photosynthesis process can occur in these type of phytoplanktons. They are prokaryotes, but again the photosynthesis process take place. Photosynthesis take place. Carry photosynthesis, right? Then we have cyanobacteria do not have we can say chloroplast. Cyanobacteria do not contain chloroplast. Do not have chloroplast. Now they do not have chloroplast, and you might be thinking they do not have pigment system, no thylakoid membrane. So remember, they do not have chloroplast. However, they have pigment system, both pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. They have both pigment system which are in their thylakoid, जो कि इनके thylakoid के अंदर होते हैं. However, they do not have chloroplast in their thylakoid. Right. And here you can see these pigments also contain, we can say, the chlorophyll A. इनके ये जो pigment system है, they contain chlorophyll A. With that, they have basically contain different types of pigments. Okay, chlorophyll A, carotenoids. So they do contain same as we can say plant contain. After that, we can say they also have phycobilin. Phycobilin is, we can say, also one type of pigment, and this phycobilin is divided into two. One is phycocyanin. Phycocyanin. Another we have phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin. Right. So here phycocyanin, they gave basically the blue color. However, phycoerythrin give the red color. I hope this is clear. Now here cyanobacteria organism import red color in Red Sea. Um, with that, if I do talk about their, we can say living, so they live in marshy as well as fresh water. They are also found in terrestrial too. And let's have a look to their symbionts. They have symbiotic association with plants. इनके पास symbiotic association होती है इनकी plants के साथ. Symbiotic association, symbiotic association with plants. ठीक है, जैसे कि we have number 1 we have nostoc azolla. Now, Nostoc azolla, they have a, we can say this is the cyanobacteria, but they have the symbiotic association with fame plant. With fame plant. Same we have Nostoc and cycads. Now, Nostoc cycads have basically the symbiotic association with cycas plant. Cycas plant, right? So this is somehow we can say association of cyanobacteria with plants. Now we can say okay, some cyanobacteria they secrete basically toxic substance and which is gastroenteritis. No, sorry, they secrete toxic substance. They secrete toxic substance and that is and after secreting that if anyone can drink this so that can cause which can say gastroenteritis disease. Gastroenteritis disease can occur if anyone can drink this. I hope till that it is clear to you guys. Remaining we will discuss in the next video. Bye bye.